had a hard time.
Yeah.
Pero yun nga, gustong-gusto ko yung mindset na sinabi niya na yun, na sabi niya na hindi lagi nandyan yung mga matatanda sa team nila. And they showed it in this game. Talagang they dominated as rookies. Also, of course, with their ates. Talagang this mindset will help them in the future to gain that confidence and momentum sa sarili nila mismo.
And from the get-go, they set the tone here. Set number 1, they won this one huge. Set number 2 was a little bit interesting because Caloocan made a fight back here. Talagang dikdikan tayo dito, although Bacoor kept the lead all throughout this set. But Caloocan started to figure out how to offset itong blocking nitong Bacoor.
Yes, that's true. Finally na they were going through the blockers, but again, very established itong lalo na si Aldea who started that blocking streak for their team. But here on the set 3, na-carry over na ng Caloocan yung yung palo nila na maiiwasan yung mga blockers and finally making those good points. You have Manalo here who top scored as well for her squad.
And set number 4, talagang namayagpag na dito ang Bacoor. They led by as much as 12 points. It was 12-8 in that midway portion of this set before that 10-2 run by Bacoor at doon na tuluyang nakalayo sila doon.
Yes, unfortunately, of course, Aldea got an ankle sprain here in the 4th set, but buti na lang natapos ng maayos ng squad nila. As you have the sets here, the scores here in set 1, 25-15, 25-22, 20-25, and 25-14.
And the numbers speak for itself here.